Hello, my name is Erika Viviana Rodriguez Martinez. I'm 32 years old. I live with my husband and my daughter in the city of Bogota. I enjoy cooking, swimming, and listen to music. This is Erika's daily routine. So every day I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning, and after some minutes I get up and turn on the TV for listen news. After that, take off my clothes and take a shower, brush my teeth, comb my hair, and get out of the shower and put on my clothes. In the morning, for me, it's necessary to drink some coffee to perk me up for the day. It's necessary for me. Immediately after, I get my daughter ready to school, and after that, go out to work. Uh, it's running. In the afternoon, more or less at 1 p.m., I take a lunch, a healthy lunch, and at 4 p.m., 4 p.m., I pick up my daughter to school. In the afternoon, evenings, I do many activities. I clean up my apartment. I help to my daughter to do your homeworks. I eat a healthy snack. So we have different activities in the afternoon, evenings. And at the end of the day, I sit down on the computer for doing my homework of UNAT, and more or less at 11:30 I go to sleep, go to rest. This is Erika's daily routine. In some cases changes. If I have time, I cooking for my family, or if I have time, I go to compensar to swim. So thanks so much. Have a nice day.